Sahara, Secrets of the Sands. Welcome to a journey through the Sahara, the world's largest hot desert. Discover its hidden past and vibrant tales. These sands have seen remarkable transformations over millennia, from lush landscapes to vast arid expanses. Let's unveil the mysteries and stories buried here, where the present meets ancient history. The Sahara wasn't always a desert. Millennia ago, it was a green savanna, teeming with life. Fossilized plants and animal remnants reveal that this region once flourished with flora and fauna. Could you imagine elephants and hippos roaming around? Climate changes slowly sculpted the Sahara's arid personality, creating today's iconic dunes. Despite its harsh conditions, life finds a way. The Sahara hosts resilient plants like the drought-tolerant acacia trees. Adapted animals such as the fennec fox and Addax antelope thrive amidst scarcity. Their survival stories are lessons in adaptation and perseverance, showcasing nature's relentless determination to endure against all odds. The Sahara isn't just a natural wonder, it's a historical treasure trove. Ancient petroglyphs, some dating back 12,000 years, depict early human life. These engravings are a window into a bygone era of hunter-gatherers and nomadic tribes who navigated this landscape, revealing insights into their daily lives and spiritual beliefs. Spanning 11 countries, the Sahara was a bustling trade route, bridging Africa with the Middle East and Europe. Caravans transported gold, salt, and spices, facilitating cultural exchanges that shaped civilizations. These connections forged diverse cultural tapestries, introducing languages, religions, and customs that continue to influence today's societies. Geologically, the Sahara is a realm of wonder. Its sweeping dunes, expansive plateaus, and dormant volcanoes illustrate the Earth's dynamic processes. Unique formations like the Eye of the Sahara mesmerize geologists, hinting at past meteor impacts, while the Air Mountains stand as silent sentinels, narrating tales of tectonic shifts over time. Protecting this unique ecosystem is crucial. Governments and organizations are working to combat desertification, preserve flora and fauna, and sustain the livelihoods of indigenous communities. Conservation initiatives aim to balance ecological health with human development, ensuring that the Sahara remains a sanctuary for future generations to study and cherish. Despite being extensively studied, the Sahara still holds mysteries for scientists and explorers. Uncharted regions could hide archaeological treasures, undiscovered species, or clues to climate change's future impacts. This ongoing exploration fuels our curiosity and drive to understand how interconnected our world truly is. Your exploration of the Sahara doesn't end here. Now that you've glimpsed its fascinating history and vibrant life, delve deeper. Visit museums, read scholarly articles, and engage in forums that expand your knowledge. Share what you've learned to keep the conversation alive and ignite a passion for exploring other natural wonders.